Hi, this is Jesse with PA Connect, and today we're going to go over how to access your voicemail from your desk phone. There are many ways to access voicemail, including voicemail to email, the desktop application, and a web interface, but the most common one is through the desk phone. Whenever you receive a voicemail on your phone, you will have a little red light right here that will indicate you do have new voicemails waiting for you. And if you press the button,
please enter personal identification number, then press pound.
You will see that it asks you for your PIN number. This PIN number can be disabled per account, so if you'd prefer not to have it, feel free to give our support a call and we can take that PIN number away. But when you hit it, you type in your PIN,
please enter personal,
and it will tell you what voicemails you have.
You have one new message and one old message. Press star to play. Press 9 for options. To exit, press pound.
Okay, so just by pressing star, you will be able to play your voicemails.
Hello.
And you will see that the voicemail light has gone out. That indicates you have no new voicemails, but you still can have previous voicemails saved in the inbox. In your voicemail, you also have many options to set things up, and we'll run through those now.
Please enter personal identification number and press. You have no new messages and 2 old messages. Press star to play. Press 9 for options. To play messages, press star. To change your profile status, press 1. To dial a number, press 3. To delete all read messages, press 4. To change your self-identification message, press 5. To play mailbox information, press 6. To change voicemail PIN number, press 7. To change your greeting message, press 8.
As you heard there was 2 different things between options 5 and 8. This is a big common misconception when setting up voicemails. Option 5 is only used for a company directory. So when it's asking you to set up your personal identification message, it's asking you only for your first and last name. Now before doing that, you want to check with your company to make sure you do have a directory. Not all companies do. The one you're really looking for was option 8, and that was your greeting message. So you can record right from your phone for your greeting message. It is a standard message that'll play all the time. And by pressing that, it'll prompt you to begin recording your greeting. It'll ask you to save, and you do want to follow the instructions through, and we'll go through that here in a second. But you can also utilize the web interface to set up different types of greetings. Now, the phone isn't capable of that, and we'll cover that in a different video. But we'll go through and establish a personal greeting on here.
Please enter. You have no new messages.
Press 9 for options.
Press star to play.
And 8.
Press star to play. Press 9 for options. To exit, press pound. To play messages, press star. To record new greeting message, press 0. To restore standard message, record your greeting message, then press pound.
This is only a test greeting message. Please leave a message and we will get back with you. Press pound when you're finished.
Press 0. To repeat,
and ensure that you press 0 when you're done. If you do not press 0 after recording your message, it will not be saved. Be aware of that. The phone will prompt you anytime you need to press additional buttons. Just make sure to listen carefully and follow the directions the phone gives you. Other than that, that's all you have to do to access your voicemail.